Hi guys, welcome to City Cementers. My name is Ketan. A lot of students have been asking that sir, we want to know about the XAT 2021 expected score versus percentile. So I thought I'll make a video because now I think the answer key is also out and a lot of people understand at what score they are standing. So let's begin. Number one, for business management, right, which is the flagship of XLR. So guys, these are the cutoffs which were there last year. And I do not see any drastic changes happening in here. So I think it's going to be same as far as the cutoffs are concerned. So BM should be like 95 for a male candidate. So these are the 2 years cutoff, by the way. 95 was there in the year 2020. So 95 percentile was there. I'm looking at the last column, by the way, out here. And these were your sections, which like around about 74, decision making 78, quants 85. So that was 2020. Overall was 95. And for male, verbal was 79. In 2019, I'm talking about. Decision making was 80. Quants was around about 90 and overall was 96. Now, if you look at the difference between these two, right? Understand this, 79, 80, 90, overall was 96. And for verbal, it was 74, 78 and 85 and overall was 95. So overall actually came down by 1%, rather 1 percentile I would say. But there was a good change that has happened across verbal, decision making and quants. For the fact, having said this, the level of difficulty was close to 2020. I do not see these things changing drastically. I would be happy to see 95 going down to 94 and let's just say quants 85 going down to let's say 82 or let's say 80 probably, or 78 getting down to 75 or 74 touching 71. So you might have these changes happening out here for the BM thing. But I don't see 95 overall should touching around about 91 or 90. I do not see that kind of thing. Again, I mean, like if it happens, I'll be really more than happy. But I think the overall cutoff should stand at par with what we had in 2020, guys. So that was for male. For female, it was even below. So 93 was overall. This is general category. And 95 was for female in 2019. So again, there was a drop by 2 percentile. So for, with the historical data, you can say that, if for BM, for male, if it drops by 1, probably for female, it will drop by 2 percentile. Now, this is for the engineering crowd. And if you talk about the diversity, which is the academic diversity, minus 3 percentile. So probably for male, non-commerce, non-engineer, probably it was around about 93 or 92 and likewise. So this is about your BM. When you talk about your HR cutoffs are lower than the BM cutoffs any given time. So 93 was there for 2020, 94 was there for 2019. Again, there was a drop of 1 percentile. For female, 2020 it was 91 and for female 2019 it was 93. There's a drop of 2 percentile. Same data, कोई ज़्यादा change नहीं है. I think more or less same रहेगा. Now, a lot of people have been asking कि क्या होगा score versus percentile. So guys, again ये मेरा prediction है. I would love to be correct this time also. The way I was kind of close by for CAT. I would love to be correct this time also. I'll be more than happy अगर ये stats सही हुआ तो. Again, it's a prediction. दूसरी बात, raw score और actual percentage जो होता है ZAT का, उसमें थोड़ा सा फर्क आ ही जाता है. This is my take, guys. I start from 70 percentile. मुझे लगता है 70 percentile should be on 10 to 12 score, right? मैं इसका आपको एक sectional cutoff के भी बारे में बता दूंगा. So I think 80 is around about 15 से 17 marks is what I'm looking at. 90 is what I'm looking at. 20 to 22. To be very honest, to be actually spot on, last year your percentile was round about 18 questions, rather 18 marks. For 90 percentile in 2020, you could have, if you had round about 18 marks, you would have been a 90 percentile spot on. I'm still taking a delta of 2 to 3 marks. Again, I'm giving a range because it's a prediction. I really cannot be, nobody can be really spot on. So I'm going to give you range. So I think the lower would be 20, the maximum would be 22. I do not see it's crossing 22 at any point in time. So मुझे लगता है कि 2022 is a good range, couple of marks here and there, maybe +1, -1. For 93, it should be 20 to 24. 95 should be 25 to 27. Now, why am I saying this? Because again, the LOD was not that different than the 2020. मान लो कि लोगों को पता चला था कि ZAT थोड़ा tough आया था 2020 में. People must have prepared very well and something like that. I mean, again, keeping these assumptions in mind, मुझे लगता है दो marks से आपका score बढ़ सकता है for a respective percentile. 99 is what I'm expecting at 30-32 and 99.50 I'm expecting at around about 36 plus. It might be 36, 7, 38. But if you have this range of your marks, you are sorted, because ये नीचे जा जाके ज्यादा नीचे नहीं जाएगा और ऊपर जाके भी ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. I've given you median guys, तो मेरे ख्याल से इसके ऊपर नीचे होना चाहिए. अब बात करते हैं सेक्शंस के बारे में. यार आई थिंक राउंड अबाउट अगर मैं 90% के बारे में बात करूं या फिर अगर मैं कट ऑफ क्लियरिंग के बारे में बात करूं, वर्बल में 8 to 9 मार्क्स वुड बी गुड टू क्लियर अ कट ऑफ. मेरे ख्याल से डिसीजन मेकिंग में 7.5 and 8.5 would be a good number to clear the cutoff. And for quants again, I would just to clear a cutoff, I would go with around about, let's say, 7 to 8 question is what I look at to clear a cutoff for XLR as far as quants is concerned. So guys, this is my analysis. Again, it's a prediction. ये एक forecasting है. Don't take it दिल से. I'm just trying to do my job. ये मुझे लगता है कि ये होना चाहिए. And that's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.